Up everybody, welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into Seatbelts with Tank. I know it's from the anime Cowboy Bebop. I have not seen the anime. I have heard the name. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together. If you enjoy, get over show Seatbelts, all the love in the world. No idea where we're going, but let's go there anyway. It'll be fun. Hold the phone. That's way turned way down too low. Now we're ready. Yo, it's plucking my heartstrings. Time out. I feel like we got to put the Woojer on for this one. Hold on, I'm back in 2 seconds. We're back. I had to put on the Woojer. It feels like it has way too much of bass to bypass that. Like, I want to feel the music for what it's all there. Let's run it back a little bit. Let's go. This was a much better idea.
I think it's time to blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together.
All right.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Go! Let's go. Yeah. This feels more like it's got that old-timey movie theme vibe than ever. Like, I might have to check out the Cowboy Bebop because this is not what I was expecting. It's like James Bond vibes. This does not scream anime at all. I seriously thought we were going down a whole different road with it. All the anime that we hear now is like rock, like hardcore kind of thing. This was more like a spy theme kind of in my mind. That's what it feels like. It feels like an old spy movie. What am I missing with Cowboy Bebop? Someone fill me in down below. Like, what's the story? I'm gonna have to go Google it if nobody fills it out. What? Oh, we like that. Seatbelts is obviously not your average kind of band. They sound like they've got a whole orchestra there. You definitely threw me through a loop with this one. Anytime we see any kind of anime music video, it always goes down a completely different genre route. This was huge. That might be one of the best pieces of music ever. Like, it's intriguing. It keeps you on the edge of your seat with the way that it runs up and down. You got a whole lot of blowing going on. That's a yes, a resounding yes. I'm obviously missing out on some Cowboy Bebop. I'm gonna have to go check this out, because anything with like a theme song like that or a song from it that's like that is not your typical. Like, it totally struck me as Detective James Bond. Everything was classy and classical, and yes. Get over, show Seatbelts all the love in the world. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Fill me in on everything I need to know down below. Till the next one, I'm Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the bag. Peace.